My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. What I have for you all today are some very interesting products from the company known as Trangia. In the past, I've reviewed many of their products. Some I've liked, some I did not like. For the last couple of months, I've been testing out the Trangia Mess Tin and the optional cover. And folks, this is a sweet system. Here we have the small size Mess Tin, and here we have the large size. Initially, I purchased the smaller one, and I liked this so much that I went ahead and I purchased the large size. After testing out these two systems, I can tell you all that they are designed for two different things, and I'll talk all about that in just a little bit. For now, let's focus on the covers. So what we have here are polycotton covers. 65% polyester, 35% cotton. Again, the small one here, the large one here. Up here at the top, we have a roll top with snap. And these features are the same on both. Opening up these covers and pulling out the Mess Tin is very easy. You undo the snaps, you unroll from there, and here we have the large Mess Tin. Opening up the small one is the exact same way. You pop the snap, unroll it, and here is the small Mess Tin. Let's start with the small Mess Tin here. This is 6.5 inches long. It is 3.5 inches wide, and this is 2 inches deep. The handle has a length of 5 inches. With the handle, this is not locking, but you do have an insulator over the handle, so you can easily and safely take this off of a hot source, such as a stove or a fire. We have a lid on top, which you see here. The best way to get this lid off is to rock it back and forth like that. That is the easiest way that I have found to get these lids off. The lids fit rather snugly. Now you can see here with the small one, it's already loaded up with some items. This is how I've been carrying this smaller kit. So on the inside, we have some paper towels. We have a small alcohol stove. 3 packets of coffee. Why? Because I like energy. Matches. A small cutlery set. And a piece of tin foil that I can use as a windscreen if I need to. With the small Mess Tin, this is 3/4 of a liter, and it is extremely lightweight. We're talking about 5.7 ounces, and that includes the lid. You can see here that this is a very simple Mess Tin. I mean, there's nothing to it, no measurement markings, nothing like that. You have a handle, a lid, and you have the body, and that is it. With the large size Mess Tin, we have the exact same features. The only real difference here is size and weight. It is larger and slightly heavier. We have the handle that is 5 inches long, and we have the Mess Tin. With the lid, again, rock it back and forth, or I should say side to side. That is the best way to open it up. With this one, I have this loaded out differently. So I have some paper towels, 3 packages of coffee, again, because I like intensity. Matches, a butane torch, and I have a long-handled spoon. With the large Mess Tin, the capacity is 1.3 liters, and it measures 8 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 2 3/4 inches deep. The weight of this is only 9.2 ounces with the lid, which is incredibly lightweight. Both of these Mess Tins are made from aluminum. They are non-stick. We have insulators on the handles, and both of these can be used with alcohol stoves, gas burners, and over the fire. And when it comes to both of these, there are a bunch of accessories for these, including cases, hand covers for the handles, roll top covers like you see here, and so on. With these Mess Tins, there are a few different versions out there. There's small ones, large ones, there's versions without handles, and there's also 2 different colors of handles, black and also red. When it comes to the cost of these, this is going to blow your mind. The small one is 12 bucks, the large one is $19. Now let's focus on the covers. The roll top covers. With these covers, they are available in 2 sizes, a small and a large. They are available in 2 colors, a green and a black. They are made from, again, polycotton, and the only notable feature are the roll tops with the snaps. The weight of the small size is only 1.9 ounces. The weight of the large size, 2.7 ounces. The price for the small one, $15. The large one, $18. I mentioned a little while ago that I use these in different ways. This one here, the small one, it works very well with an alcohol stove and also a canister stove. The large one here is simply too large for an alcohol stove. There's just too much surface area for a small alcohol stove to distribute heat well enough on the bottom here to really do any sort of cooking or boiling. It's because of that I would recommend using this only with a canister stove, a good size one with a large head, or over a fire. That is where this large size really does shine. I'm sure you know this already, but alcohol stoves put out a small amount of heat compared to a canister stove. So with the smaller one, you can get all of the contents to boil. With the larger mess tin and an alcohol stove, you can only get the center to boil. On the sides and the corners, it's not going to happen. That is why I've been pairing the large mess tin with this Primus stove here. As you will see, this features a very large head, which very easily supports that mess tin. But look at the size of that. This distributes the heat so well with that mess tin, it's the perfect matchup. Ultimately, when it comes to these mess tins, I think they are awesome. When it comes to the roll-up covers, they are awesome. And without a doubt, these little kits offer a lot of versatility for a low price. With that being said, let me share with you all my list of pros and cons that I have for these two mess tins. To start off with the pros, we have durability. These are very durable products. Over the last couple of months, I've been using these. There's a few light scratches. There's a little bit of staining on the inside, which you can see here in the corner. But outside of that, these really have held up well. Very, very durable. At the same time, these are incredibly lightweight. You can have an entire kit fully loaded up, and these weigh almost nothing. At the same time, these are super, super versatile. You really can kit these out and use these any way that you want to. You can use them more for a backpacking purpose, a bushcraft purpose, an overland purpose, basically anything that you want to. The fact that you have the multiple sizes is awesome. Again, this leads to a lot of versatility. You can adjust these for the adventure that you're going on. Both are excellent for cooking, but ultimately, your choice between these two depends on the capacity that you need and your portability preferences. Because every single adventure that I do is different, I went ahead and I got both. I have the small one when I want to go ultra light. I have the larger one when I want to do more cooking. And that takes us to the next pro. These are very affordable. Even with the covers, these make sense in my opinion. You can buy both of these mess tins, both covers, and it's not going to cost you much. And that, my friends, is very impressive, especially when you go back to the versatility aspect of these tins. The compact nature of these make it very easy to carry these on overnight trips as well as day trips. At the same time, because of the compact nature, these are very popular with European military forces. These will fit into chest rigs, and oftentimes that's how they're carried. When it comes to using these tins, it's very simple. Again, there's not much to them. The handles are excellent. They are non-locking, but they don't need to be. The lids do a fantastic job of staying on these tins. At the same time, while secure, you can easily get them off. Something else that I like about these is the versatility as far as heat sources go. Again, alcohol stoves, canister stoves, over a fire. You can also use these with solid fuel if you want to. When it comes to the non-stick aspect, that has worked really well. These have done a great job of not allowing anything that I've cooked in these to stick to it, which I appreciate greatly. The last thing that I want to do is scrub pots when I'm in the outdoors. That takes us over to the cons that I have for these. The edges here, they're not sharp enough to cut you or anything like that, but they're a little bit jagged. When you rub your finger over them, you can feel the jaggedness to them. This is a slight con. Luckily, it's not dangerous, but it could be nicer. But at the same time, these are very inexpensive, so I'm willing to let that slide. Next, while these are small, they are somewhat bulky. Luckily, they're very lightweight. I've already spoken about the heat distribution issues when it comes to the larger one. Keep that in mind. If you're someone who likes to use an alcohol stove, this is the best performer. This one is not going to perform as well, simply because this features so much surface area. It is so large. It is so large that it's difficult for a single alcohol burner to distribute heat all along the bottom here. Because this is made from aluminum, there is a potential for scratching. It's going to happen. Luckily, scratching does not impede the ultimate performance of these mess tins. It gives them character, in other words. And folks, there you have it. Those are the pros and cons that I have for these mess tins. Ultimately, what I have here, I have to say I like a lot. These are very simple, very easy to use, easy to clean, easy to adapt, and they are also inexpensive. With everything that I've said in this review, I can very easily recommend these products, both the tins and the covers. I purchased these with my own money. I don't care if you buy them, but I can tell you all this. I've really enjoyed using these. These products are so good, so inexpensive. It's amazing to me, right? It seems like everything today is expensive. It doesn't matter what you're looking at. You can very easily go out and spend the same amount that you would pay for both of these on one pot. And I think that needs to be considered. The value here is excellent. The functionality is excellent. The weight is excellent. There are some small cons, but they are very, very small. And with that being said, folks, I am done. Comment down below, share your thoughts. What do you all think about these Trangia Mess Tins? If you were to purchase one, which one would you get? The small size or the large size? Or both? It's up to you. If you found this episode helpful, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. It's a great way to support the channel. If you want to support the channel in other ways, there's Patreon, there's YouTube. You could join the Wolf Pack. Oh yeah. Take care, my friends. Thanks for watching. Strength and honor.